Hello, everybody. My name is Bill Livingston. I'm the founder of Local Water Experts online. It's localwaterexperts.com. And today, we're really lucky to have a Boise representative, Tim McKay. Tim is with Connecticut Water there in Boise, in the Boise area, and he treats the whole treats water and advises consumers in the whole Treasure Valley area. So, how you doing today, Tim?
I'm doing great.
Great.
And just like everybody, not only do we treat water in the whole Treasure Valley area, but all of Southwest Idaho.
I think you've got one of the fastest growing cities or communities in the United States. Is that correct?
That's correct. We actually have the fastest growing area in the entire United States right now. And last year alone, there was an influx of over 90,000 people to our area.
Well, I'm speaking to you today from Southern California, and I think that a lot of Californians are moving up to enjoy your area, and so as they are from other parts of the United States. It brings up a good question that I have, and I always ask this to the local experts, is, these people and their families come in from all over, and they've experienced their water in their different areas where they're from, but all water is not the same, as you very well know. And so if they come into the Boise area from Atlanta, Georgia, or Chicago, or Los Angeles, or San Diego, could they find that the water is different there in your area? And if so, what is it that would indicate to them that they may want to have you come check their water, see if you can give them a better quality water?
Well, Bill, one of the biggest things that we find here in this area is we actually pull a good amount, if not all of our water that we use for consumption and even using throughout our homes is actually pulled right out of the ground. And, that's where a lot of dissolved solids and things are formed and cause problems with our homes. And one of the biggest complaints that we get in this area is white scale buildup, which is essentially rock in the water. And, not necessarily an unhealthy thing. It could be in different scenarios, but it's something that destroys our homes and everything that water touches. And one thing in the education process that we try to teach people is every well that we use is actually like us humans, and it actually has its own DNA, and everyone is different. So that's the reason why it's really important to have someone that you trust as a professional water treatment expert to come into your home and test your water. And you want to choose somebody also that has lots of different products and can tackle any type of water situation wherever you are throughout the world. And that's why it's really important to come out personally and test your water to find out what DNA or what different contaminants you have in your water at what different levels, so we can correctly size and take care of the problem the first time and not have to come back over and over again, because water is very difficult to deal with sometimes, especially if you're out on your own well or you don't have the city to take care of that for you. So there's a lot of different problems, and it takes a lot of years to learn all of this different tactics and different water treatment techniques to take care of different problems.
That brings up a question. So if someone family were to move in there, is there any way to tell what are telltale signs? I've heard like spotty dishes and things like that. What are some things that they can look for or be aware of that may make them want to give you a call to find out if they've got a problem?
Well, sometimes, people are a little bit more sensitive than others, and sometimes it might be the taste of the water, where they might taste chlorine or something like that, and they just can't handle that taste. They're buying bottled water. But sometimes, a lot of times actually, it's the white buildup or the rock that I talked about in the water that actually builds up on most of the time it builds up where you can't see it. Your water heater, sometimes your dishwasher, inside of your pipes. But it will build up where you can see it on your shower doors, your dishes, your chrome faucet heads. You know, the new, all the new types of faucets that we have nowadays are leaving this residue of white on them, and customers aren't too happy about spending thousands or tens of thousands of dollars on redoing their master bathroom or things like this, and having the rock just destroy everything within a few weeks or a few months.
If someone would like to give you a call and ask you to come out to visit their home and test their water, for one, what phone number should they call, or how should they get in touch with you?
Well, it's very simple. The best way to get in touch with me is call, text, or email. But my personal cell phone number is area code 208. That's the local area code here in Idaho. Area code 208-880-6110. And that's my personal cell phone number. I'll usually get back to you within an hour to 2 hours. If I'm in an appointment consulting with other customers, then usually about 2 hours to get back to you. But I'll get back to you and set up a time and come out and we'll talk water.
And what days of the week are you available, and what times of day are you available to help customers?
I'm available from 8 in the morning till 8 p.m. Monday through Saturday.
Well, that's great information to hear. So, well, wish you many years of success there, and thank you very much for allowing us to interview.
Thank you, Bill. Have a great day.
Thank you.